Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're going to be doing a Bluestream fiber internet speed test. So let's get started here. We'll go over here and we'll click on this link. Alright, now we're going to be using the GFiber internet speed test, and let's hit go. Wow, look at that download speed, guys. Okay, there's the upload speed. Wow, that's a pretty good one. 819 download and 854 upload. Okay, let's do the best out of 3. This will be the second one. Seems pretty good on the download. Alright, there's the upload speed. Wow, that's pretty good. Alright, that one was 837 and 852. Alright, let's go for the third test. Still pretty good on the download. Very good. And there's the upload. Wow. Wow, there's the download speed 820 and the upload's 840. Alright, I can say it's working really good, guys. Yep. And if you're uploading videos or if you're downloading movies, I think this would be the way to go here. The Bluestream fiber internet seems to be working good here. I thought I would bring you along today when I did my test here, and it really is fast. Alright, so it looks to be about 820 average on the download and about the same on the upload, a little more maybe, so that's great. Alright guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.